What's up, guys? So we just sold the Nissan Sentra for $1,600, and we didn't do not a thing to it but wash it. We are here at the auction trying to see what they got today, or this weekend rather. Few things I'm interested in. They got this trailer right here. See the trailer? It's pretty big. They also have this nice Honda motorcycle. Let's just take a walk around, see what they got. Got a couple scooters, another motorcycle. This is the rebuilt title. I won't be messing with this one. But I seen they had this freaking party bus van type of truck. Now this is something I wouldn't mind getting. I don't know why I'd want this, but I definitely think I want to try to bid on this thing. Looks really cool. And then at these auctions, you can actually open them up and look at them. See, you got the bus in the inside. It's pretty good. It's pretty fair. This should be a good buy right here. They got a Benz back there. They got something with like electrical problems. This is salvaged. I won't bid on any of this. This is something I'm interested in right here. It's a rebuilt title though. It's a 06 Toyota Matrix. However, it's stick shift, which I didn't know, so I probably won't grab it. This is a cool Jag, but it's rebuilt as well. Me, I like clean title cars. I don't like dealing with rebuilt, none of that stuff. Everybody seems to always have a problem with it. Now, this may be something I may be interested in. This is cool. This is 2004 Grand Prix, clean title, 154,000 miles. This one's pretty fair. Oh, and it's the GT version. And it's the GT. Okay, so that's another candidate. They have another one back here. It's about the same miles. Same year, about the same miles. However, this one's got the suede with the leather interior. This will be the one. Oh, this was here last week. This didn't sell. If you guys tuned into my my last video, you would have seen that this car was in there. And I guess they bidded on it without seeing the rear end, and they didn't buy it. So that's a good buy right there. You got a Trailblazer here. The only thing I was thinking about with this, I was gonna LS swap it, so throw at least a 5.3 in there, and it won't be a V6 anymore. And then switch everything to the SS body, so which is really would be the bumpers, and then I believe the side trim. But this is another decent car right here, number 26, and it has 200,000 on the dash. I don't want to deal with it. Decent car though, looks decent. Trailblazer looks decent. Oh yeah, they got the Max Daddy. What that look like? Ooh, this got that player leather up in here, boy. This is what the mobsters used to drive in Vegas. Look at this. Memories. It's so freaking old and classic in here. It looks sick. Look at that leather. Look at the seats. This thing looks so comfortable. Got the leather on the freaking outside. Now this is what I really came for right here. This is what I came for. Number 21. It's an 08 Benz C300. The door's messed up over here, so it won't close. Interior is nice. So that might sell for cheaper than usual because of that dent right there. So we'll definitely be here tomorrow checking this out, see if we can get this for a couple of grand or so. This is a pretty decent car, 89,000 miles, but the title is rebuilt. Like, I don't deal with rebuilt title cars, but it looks fairly decent. Like, it doesn't look like it's much of nothing, honestly. It looks pretty fair. Between this one and this one, I'd probably grab this because this fix, I know it put me over top. Even over the Benz, they have this Sentra. This is probably the one that I'm really looking to get, honestly. This is a 2013 Nissan Sentra with 80,000 miles. Pretty banged up in the front. This will go for about $3,500. Yeah, this is a pretty decent car, so this one might go for a little bit more than I'm trying to spend, but it's fairly decent. Like, it looks really good. Yeah. This looks like a little cool car. Goes for a couple hundred. Oh, this is another good one. This is a Nissan Versa. Okay, so this is the one I've seen online. It's a Nissan Versa. You're gonna need some stuff down right there. You need a new hood. 103,000 miles. It's pretty decent on the inside. Nice TV. It looks really good on the inside. So it's between 31-28. The Benz. A few top shelf cars. So I have a Yukon back there, or whatever it is, Tahoe. Bad transmission. Already been through one of these. Really not trying to do another one, but if I can get it at the right price, I don't mind. Whoa. Okay. So they didn't show me this half on the internet. Or lastly, this freaking van. Kind of banged up in the back. This side is gonna need a little love, but it has all the seats. Seats are dirty as heck, of course. It looks really good in the inside though, compared to what I've seen. All it needs is a good detail. And this one is a 2011 with 136,000 miles. So this is a pretty decent van too, because just like the last van I sold, got it for hella cheap, and I sold it for $1,800. So I actually got kind of tripled up on that one. So I know I can like get at least $4 to $5 grand out of that. Otherwise, pretty decent cars. 136,000 miles. This will be a good one. 37. It's an 01 Solara. 136,000 miles. It's pretty decent. You guys let me know in the comments which one you think I should bid on and get. So we got a chance to do a quick walk around of the cars we're going to be bidding on tomorrow. So as I said, the Nissan Sentra is sold. So we're just gonna see if we can come up on something tomorrow. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Tell me which one you think I should bid on in the comments. And we'll go live for you tomorrow at the auction and see what we grab. Thanks, guys.